All right. So let's see if these travel organizers work. So let me show you my outfits. So I have a blazer with jeans, and I have a one piece, the shoes, and the belt, right? Over here, I have a one piece, another blazer. I'm going to wear these jeans again, same shoes, and flip over the belt to the brown side. There you go. So that's outfit number two. Outfit of number three, I don't want to wear the same jeans that many times. So I have a pair of khakis, an undershirt, and a cardigan. I'm going to use the same jewelry throughout the entire conference. All right. I'll tell you where I'm going in a second. And then I also have for my Thursday outfit, I have just a casual outfit where I can wear my boots, or if I want to stay inside, I can wear my Mui Mui slides. Now, what I'm traveling in, I'm just going to be comfortable. I'm not going to lie. I'm just going to be comfortable here. I have my Nike sweatpants, another one piece. I have a glow jacket for the plane and some tennis shoes. If I want to walk around in tennis shoes, I have that. Okay. So I am going to Las Vegas for a conference for my job. It is Monday, Tuesday, and half of Wednesday. I'm staying there Thursday, returning back in the same clothes on Friday. Okay, that's what I'm doing. What I want to do is I want to make sure I'm going to test this Amazon organizer packets out because I am doing all carry-ons, I'm just going to do a book bag, which I'm still in my son's Legion of Zoom track book bag because it's huge. And I am going to do my Marc Jacobs big tote. I'll show you that in a second. The big tote is going to have my computers and all of the other stuff, probably a little small blanket for the travel. And my toiletry bag. Everything can fit in there. I have all of my toiletries in here. I got this from Target. It's really nice too. I mean, I know it's not one of those Lux brand toiletry bags, but it's cute and it's durable. And I have everything else. I'm not going to pack right now because I am going somewhere a little bit later on. So let's see if I can put all of that stuff in that Legion of Zoom book bag. Let's try it. I fit everything, all the clothes except for my cardigan. Tag it. It's okay. Let me get something else to put this in, and I think I'm gonna put it in my underclothes organizer. So let's see what happens. You can't tell me nothing right now. Like, what? I'm gonna pack these separately. All my clothes, I turn this over because it's my undergarments, and I put the cardigan in there, and then I have the one pair of shoes here. I have my slippers in here as well, but everything fit. I refuse to check in a bag. I refuse. This is 5 days worth of clothes. 5 days. Now I still have this out. This is travel gear, but 5 days worth of clothes. Now, my computer and all that stuff. Remember, I did a whole video on the tote bag and what I plan to do with it. So I told you I was traveling a lot. This is a very nice size bag that I plan to put a few more things in work related. But let me tell y'all something. Look, I'm excited. Let's put it in the bag. Okay. And just like that, I'm packed. I have my boots at the bottom, and then I have my two bags here and my Louis Vuitton shoes here. And that's it. It all fit. And I still have this open and I have that open. Now, would it have fit in a regular book bag? No. So I would suggest for you to order a very large travel book bag, and then you should be good to go. I'm going to put my toiletry bag in my Marc Jacobs carry-on. So I will do that. But this worked. This thing worked. So I'm going to put these, and now that was only 2 packages. The actual Amazon that I bought, packages I bought from Amazon, it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packages in one, and then you could do different colors. So I will put that in my description box. Hope that helps. I think what I'll do now is I also will show you how I'm going to pack my work bag with my toiletries in it as well. So give me a moment. All right, final video. I have everything in my bag. I have 2 computers. I have my toiletry bag. This is a blanket, and I have my charger, and it can easily zip. I've already tested it out. You can easily zip, so I'm ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just wanted you to see how you can travel without checking a bag, and it's easy, it's convenient, because I know how the travel season is, and airlines, they're just losing people's luggage, and I don't want to go through that, especially if you're traveling with some luxury items. You want to keep it close to you. So hope this helped. If so, if you have any other ideas, please put it in the comment section, like, subscribe, and I thank you so much for watching. Peace.